Thank you for joining us for today's presentation of Computer Service and Repair. Before we begin our presentation, I'd like to share a little information about GW Publisher. As a trusted educational partner for more than 100 years, GW continues to operate with a vision that began in 1921 to provide the highest quality content at a great value and take the best care of our customers. We share your passion and commitment to prepare learners for success in life and career. GW collaborates with outstanding authors, trustworthy reviewers, and industry-focused trade associations to deliver up-to-date, standards-based content with effective pedagogy. This team of experts across career, technical, and health education ensures that students have the right mix of knowledge and skills for success. Every GW title is built to help support student success with powerful content written by expert educators and industry experts, aligned to industry and national standards. Our content is designed with pedagogical tools to promote applied, hands-on practice and authentic learning through projects, procedures, and skills. Print content is also delivered as an easy-to-use digital experience that helps you to deliver content the way that works best for your school and increases interactivity with the content and promotes self-study for skill mastery. And of course, every GW adoption includes ongoing instructor support, from our time-saving resources like detailed lesson plans and PowerPoints, assessments, consultation to find the best package for your school, and professional development opportunities with our national content specialists. Online instructor resources, specially created by teachers for teachers, are packages of instruction that save you time and make it easier to prepare for class, reinforce new concepts, and assess learning. These complete teaching packages are ready to go and will instantly make a difference in your class. GW is connected and committed to helping you achieve your teaching goals while students master learning. Our print titles are also available as a digital experience that includes the full ebook, digital versions of workbook or lab manual, as well as any accompanied media, study tools, and assessments. Now, let's dive into the textbook. Computer Service and Repair will help you prepare for the CompTIA A+ certification exam by teaching you the basics of PC maintenance, troubleshooting, repair, and component replacement. Additionally, you will learn about networking and understand qualities and concepts employers seek in job candidates to have a successful career as an information technology professional. The new edition of Computer Service Repair offers the following updates. First, it was revised to align to current CompTIA A+ exam objectives. Additionally, updates were made in each chapter to provide coverage of the newest operating systems and recent technological developments in computing and mobile devices. At the beginning of each chapter, a list of outcomes guides your learning as you read the material presented. Each outcome is aligned with a content heading, as well as with a summary bullet point and review question at the end of the chapter. This provides a logical flow through each page of the material, so you may build on individual knowledge as you progress through the chapters. Computer Service and Repair is designed with certification in mind. It adheres to the CompTIA A+ certification exam objectives, ensuring students are up to date with the most recent testing domains. CompTIA A+ 2201101 measures the fundamentals of computer technology, and the CompTIA A+ 2201102 measures the skills related to more advanced topics in computer technology. You must pass both exams to receive the CompTIA A+ certification, which is valid for 3 years, and proves to a potential employer that you have the knowledge and skills needed to perform the typical job duties and tasks of a PC service technician. Illustrations have been designed to communicate the specific topic clearly and simply. Tech Tip features highlights supplemental information about practical application of networking concepts. These tips vary in their scope, ranging from simple synonyms or definitions of discussed material to real-world advice that provides you with insight that will help in your assignments and careers. Caution features highlights important personal and machine safety information you need to know before performing specific tasks. These features alert you to actions that may cause personal injury or damage to a computer or electronic device. End-of-chapter material provides an opportunity for review and application of concepts. A concise summary reiterates the learning outcomes and provides a brief review of the content for your reference. This helps you focus on important concepts presented in the text. Review questions highlight basic concepts presented in the chapter so you can evaluate your understanding of the material. Sample A+ exam questions challenge you to answer questions similar to those you will face on the CompTIA A+ certification exam, providing a sample of what to expect on the exam. This product comes with a digital lab manual and study guide. The lab manual projects offer students opportunities to work on various computer troubleshooting and administration challenges. The study guide includes practice exercises to reinforce concepts and skills learned in the corresponding textbook chapters. Files are provided in a docx format and may be printed, assigned digitally, or converted to a Google document. Every product we create at GW is informed by educators who teach the course it's designed for. We look for teachers or industry professionals who are experts in their field to thoroughly review our content before it is published. If you're interested in working with the GW team to develop new products and improve existing ones, visit www.g-w.com/engage with us to learn more. Stay up to date on the latest from GW when you follow us on social media. You can find us on Facebook, LinkedIn, X, Instagram. And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And our new GW blog will cover important issues and insights across the career, technical, and health education fields, new trends and technologies that are transforming the workforce, and classroom-tested tips for CTE, health, and PE educators. Join us on this journey as we dive into these important fields in education, extend learning, build student interest, and create an engaging atmosphere for your class. Visit our Tools for Educators site to download printable activities, infographics, and posters along with student-centered instructional strategy videos ready for use today. We are dedicated to creating exceptional professional development experiences that ignite innovation and drive student success. Through cutting-edge training and instructional design specifically for educators, GW can support you with the tools and knowledge needed to excel. A well-prepared educator is at the cornerstone of every successful learning environment, and GW is here to support you every step of the way. Our resources equip teachers with the knowledge and skills necessary to maximize the impact of our programs in your classrooms. By providing tools that range from simple, user-friendly training resources that directly align to your textbook to high-impact instructional practices, we want every educator to feel confident using GW resources as a powerful gateway to student-centered learning. If you have additional questions or need assistance pertaining to the GW product, please contact us at GW Support or Customer Service and visit our knowledge-based articles and how-to guides at support.g-w.com. You may also submit a ticket through our support center by going to support.g-w.com/new, filling out the required fields, and creating your ticket. In addition, we have a number of knowledge-based articles and how-to guides that you can explore by visiting our support center. You may select a category. You may choose your specific LMS and read the articles of your choice. Please visit us at support.g-w.com to learn more.